Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're tackling a duo designed to nourish and hydrate dry hair, the Loma Hair Care Moisturizing Shampoo and Treatment Duo. If you're tired of dry, lackluster hair and are on the lookout for something that can truly restore moisture and vitality, this might be the product for you. So, let's dive into the details and see if this shampoo and treatment set can live up to its promises. The Loma Hair Care Moisturizing Shampoo and Treatment Duo consists of two key products, a shampoo and a treatment designed specifically for dry hair. The shampoo is formulated to gently cleanse while adding moisture, and the treatment promises to deeply hydrate and restore. Both products are infused with a refreshing orange scent, which gives a vibrant, citrusy fragrance to your hair. The best part? They're designed to work together, so you get a comprehensive hair care routine in one simple duo. First up, the shampoo. It's a gel formula that's designed to work well with dry hair, which is often more prone to breakage and dullness. As I used it, I found it to have a smooth, luxurious feel, and it lathered quite well without feeling too heavy or stripping my hair of moisture. The citrusy scent is bright and refreshing, though it's not overpowering. After rinsing, my hair didn't feel squeaky clean like some other shampoos tend to leave it, but instead it felt soft and hydrated, which is exactly what dry hair needs. Next, the treatment. This is where the magic happens. It's a thicker product that's meant to provide intense hydration, and I could immediately feel the difference in how my hair absorbed it. The treatment doesn't weigh down the hair, which I appreciate, because sometimes deep conditioners can leave hair feeling too heavy. After leaving it on for the recommended amount of time, I rinsed it out, and my hair felt incredibly soft, almost like silk. The moisture really sinks in, leaving a healthy shine without that greasy residue you sometimes get with heavy conditioners. In terms of real-world application, I tried this duo both as a regular hair care routine and as a deep hydration treatment. The shampoo worked just as well for my daily cleansing, and the treatment provided a noticeable difference in the health and appearance of my hair. Even after styling, my hair had a softness and shine that I usually only see after a salon treatment. When it comes to pros, I have to say, the scent is absolutely delightful. It's fresh but not too strong, and it lingers just enough to make your hair smell amazing without being overpowering. The texture of both products is also fantastic. The shampoo doesn't strip moisture, and the treatment is thick enough to do the job, but still lightweight enough not to weigh down your hair. However, I do have a few cons. The price might be on the higher end, especially if you're looking for something that you can use every day. Also, while both products hydrate well, I would say that those with extremely dry hair may need to pair this duo with a heavier treatment or oil for maximum results, especially if your hair is very coarse or damaged. Now, for the value. Considering the ingredients and the performance, the Loma Hair Care Moisturizing Shampoo and Treatment Duo is a solid investment for those dealing with dry hair. It offers a great balance of hydration without feeling too heavy, which is often a challenge in moisturizing products. The quality is definitely there, but if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to explore other options that offer similar results at a lower price point. For alternatives, brands like Shea Moisture or OGX have great moisturizing lines that also target dry hair. They may not have the same refreshing scent or premium feel, but they can deliver hydration at a fraction of the price. When it comes to build quality, both products come in sturdy, well-designed packaging that looks sleek in the shower. They're easy to handle, and the gel formulation of the shampoo is nice and easy to work into your hair. I haven't had direct interaction with Loma's customer service, but given the brand's reputation for quality, I trust that any issues would be handled with care. Now, as for the final verdict. This product works well for those looking to tackle dry hair with a simple, effective routine. It's not a miracle worker, but it will definitely improve your hair's moisture levels and overall feel, especially when used consistently. If you've got dry hair and are looking for something that's gentle yet effective, this duo is worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. And if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.